Hello and welcome to my tutorial of how to add my Metal Gear swords onto your avatar. First you want to open up the folder and drag the prefab into your hierarchy, and then unpack and drag it onto your avatar. Then you want to open up your avatar to your hands and your arms, and then open up this, drag left hand onto the left hand and right hand onto the right hand, the hips onto the hips, upper right arm onto the upper right arm, and lower arm to lower arm, and hand onto that hand. Next, we're going to do the animations. So we're going to open up the avatar manager and drag your avatar into it. Open up the FX, add, and drag the FX of the swords in there and merge. Then we're going to do the parameters as well. So you gotta find parameters and copy. Next we gotta add to the avatar menu. So we go into the animations folder and go here. Name it whatever you would like. Make it a sub-menu. Look for sub-toggle Metal Gear swords and type toggle here, and you can find picture for the menu. And that should be about it for animations and getting everything set up. If you're using another avatar, you're probably going to need to move where the hands are for the swords. So you can go into here and change this to left hand, and then you can see where the sword is compared to in the hand, and you can go into this left hand here and move this around to where your hand needs to be. And then after you're done, you just push it back there, and you can do the same for this one to see where it's in the right hand, and then push that back when you're done. And that should be about it for the swords. For the little brace here, you can scale it up each individual bone. It's probably going to be easier if you have everything in here like this, like how it was before. Then scale that up first, and then put the stuff back. And then you're probably gonna have to move the bones into position afterwards. It might be a little wonky, but it should be able to work. There are also blend shapes to make it wider if you need to fit your hand a little better, because there are different arm shapes. Hopefully that will help as well.